What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lazy Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial. I need to stop saying Gele because it's actually a head tie, head wrap with Ankara. So I'm so used to Gele tutorial. So guys, you have to really forgive me. This is another head tie, head wrap tutorial using Ankara. Very simple steps, very simple way to tie it, and just keep watching, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't get a notification every time I Lazy Atkins upload new content. And do not forget to leave your questions down below in the comment section, so I will be seeing you there. Keep watching. Thank you all for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that icon on the side, that one there, right there, turning black. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lazy Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.
I am a star, they won't kill my shine. I wanna know